Hi guys, so I forgot to make an intro for the video. Anyway, I'm just showing you guys how I did this look today. So I primed my lid and I'm going to be using the Morphe and James Charles palette. And the first shade I'm going in with is Canvas, just to kind of set the concealer that I did as my primer. And also use it as a transition shade. So I'm going in with the shade Punch Me. James, what the hell's up with the shade name? And a blending brush, and I'm just gonna be putting that in my crease and just blending. You know, the key is blending, blending, blending. Just keep blending that out. Now I'm going in with the shade 10% off and a fluffier blending brush. Oh my gosh, I can't talk English. And I'm gonna be putting that all over my crease on top of that first shade. Make sure blend it, y'all. Just blend, because we are doing a smoky eye, and with a smoky eye you want to blend. I think that's gonna be my new motto, like Dory. Just keep blending, just keep blending, blending, blending. Taking one of my favorite blending brushes, which is the Sonia Kashuk. I think I'm saying her name wrong still, I don't know, correct me. And I'm just gonna be blending all that out. Make sure there's no harsh lines. I love using her brushes. They're so fluffy and they're so good for blending. Like, they literally blend your eyeshadows so freaking good. I gotta go get me some more brushes. Taking a flat brush, I'm gonna be putting the shade No Beans. James, again, what the hell? And I'm gonna be putting that all over my lid and kind of putting it up towards into my crease, because like I said, we're gonna blend that out. So I ended up taking the shade No Beans and I put that on a fluffy brush, and I ended up putting that over my crease just so we can blend more. Duh. Taking the flat brush again, I went and I wanted to deepen it a little bit more, so I took the shade Benny and I'm putting that on top of that first shade that we put on the lid. Then again, take a blending brush and we're just blending until you feel satisfied. You don't see any creasing, no harsh lines. That's key to doing a smoky eye. Sometimes I still struggle with it and it's okay, but yeah, you definitely want to keep blending until you feel satisfied, and clearly I wasn't feeling satisfied. I felt like something was missing, so I thought I would spice it up a little bit. So I took the shade Shook and I put that all over the lid, just a little bit, just to give it a little shimmer. I'm taking this teal eyeliner from ColourPop. I got it in a PR. There was a collab they did with a hair brand. I totally forgot the name of the eyeliner. But you guys, oh my god, I've never tried ColourPop eyeliner before, and this is so good. I have a whole bunch of other colors that they gave me, so I'm definitely gonna be using them a lot. And I have to say, colored eyeliner is like my thing now. I love it. As long as you like do a nice look with it, you know, don't look too crazy. Now I'm going in for the face. I think this is my Maybelline Studio Finish, something like that, primer. It's my fave primer. Anyway, I'm gonna be putting that all over my face to prime, good, because what else does a primer do? And I'm just gonna be taking this brush that my mother-in-law got for me from Mexico. Don't know, I just know that it actually, it's pretty good. It's pretty good at blending. But yeah, I'm just using it to blend out my primer. And then I'm going to be going with the Anastasia Brow Wax. Brow, clear brow, whatever the hell that stuff is that, you know, makes them stiff. I did do my brows before I did anything, but this I like to do just to like lay them down because I don't know. I be struggling with my eyebrows, y'all. For some reason, like the pigment comes off and I look weird, but this actually does hold it in place. And I did use the dip brow to do my brows. If you guys want to see me do my brows, let me know. And like for how many times I just said brows. I'm taking the Beauty Creations Flawless Foundation and this big ass elf sponge. Oh my god, you guys, elf sponges are so good. I just picked me up some new ones and I can't wait to try them. I know I look a little like pale, but I don't know. I have don't pick foundation online. Go in the store. And I couldn't clearly get a Beauty Creation foundation in the store. So I tried it online and yeah, we gonna fix this damn ghost looking crap. Y'all already know I use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And I also did get the blending, no, sorry. It's a beauty blender from e.l.f. And it says that it works perfect with their Camo Concealer. Oh my god, I can't speak. What the hell? And I have to say, I agree. It blends it out so, so good, y'all. Going in with the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer? Yeah, it's a putty bronzer. And I'm just going to be taking out with the Real Techniques brush. I love this to use when I'm contouring or just bronzing up a little bit. I need to learn how to contour better because I feel like this looks kind of ugly. Gotta get that big ass forehead. So I started recently contouring my nose and I don't know, I can't really contour it for shit. Like, y'all, I need help. Now I'm highlighting with my little ColourPop highlighter I got from Target. Can't remember the shade color, but I'll probably put it somewhere here when I do find it. Okay, here's the part where I was excited to do. So I'm taking this teal shade that's also the same shade as the eyeliner from a ColourPop little quad. And I'm going to be putting that underneath my eye and just smudging it all out. Yeah, I had to make sure it looked good. And then I'm taking my lashes. These are the Lash Bar LA lashes. This is the style Boss Bitch. And this was the final look, you guys. turned out really cute. Okay, bye.